Imagine this. You're walking through the rainforest, and suddenly you spot a lizard that seems to be rewriting the rules of reality. 1 second, it's camouflaged perfectly into the leaves. The next, it bursts into neon yellow, almost like it's showing off. Most people think, well, that's just camouflage, right? But what if I told you that's only scratching the surface? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on chameleons and revealing the surprising truth behind how and why they change color. So let's bust a myth right off the bat. Chameleons aren't just changing color to blend in with their background. Sure, camouflage plays a role, but the real story is way more interesting. Chameleons use their color-changing superpower to communicate with each other, to regulate their body temperature, and even to express their mood. Think of it as a mood ring, but way cooler, and a lot more high-tech. Here's the science. Under a chameleon's outer skin are layers of cells called chromatophores. These are packed with pigments, but the real magic comes from nanocrystals inside the cells. When the chameleon is relaxed, these crystals are tightly packed, bouncing back short wavelengths of light, like blues. But when the chameleon gets excited, scared, or wants to show off, those nanocrystals spread out, and suddenly it reflects yellows, oranges, or even screaming reds. So when you see a chameleon shifting colors, it's not painting itself with pigment, it's literally changing the way light bounces off its body. Let's break down what different colors can mean. If the chameleon is chilly, it'll turn a darker shade to soak up more sun. If it's feeling spicy and wants to warn off a rival, you'll see those wild, bright flashes. Calm and relaxed? You'll get those soft greens and blues. And not all chameleons are created equal. While some can only flip between simple browns and greens, the panther chameleon is the real show-off, blasting out blues, reds, and even neon greens, sometimes all at once. Now get this. Chameleons don't actually copy the background like a living Photoshop filter. They're not turning into a chessboard just because you set them on one. Their color change isn't about perfect invisibility. It's about sending a message. If you see a chameleon flashing wild colors, it's probably talking to another chameleon, not disappearing from a predator. Quick fun fact, this transformation happens in just seconds, and it's all controlled by a combo of nerves and hormones. Basically, chameleons were rocking wearable tech before it was cool. So let me ask you this. If you could change your color like a chameleon, what color would you choose right now? And why? Drop your answer in the comments because I'm seriously curious. And hey, if you learned something wild today, don't forget to subscribe to Midnight Questions, and ring that bell so you never miss a strange new fact from the edge of science and nature. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.